Hello guys, what's up? What's up? Nandito tayo na yun, nagda-drive ako. At may pupuntahan tayo, si Gavin nakatulog, si Faye, woohoo! Yung mga boys. On the way kami na yun sa OC Fair. Punta kami roon sa OC Fair. Kamusta kayo? Ito na naman si Warren Boy. So, pagpunta natin doon, pag-park natin, umpisahan natin ulit to. Kwento ko lang. Peace. So guys, naghanap tayo ng parking. Bago makapasok, ang traffic. Ang daming tao dito na yun. Tingnan natin to, ayan o. Traffic na yun eh. So pag nakapark na kami, umpisahan ko to. Okay, kamusta kayong lahat? Okay guys, nakapark na kami. Papunta na kami dito sa OC Fair. Daming tao. Buti lang hindi masyado mainit. Ayos lang yung araw. Hindi nakakapaso. So excited na tong mga bata. Kakain daw sila ng corn dog na malaki. Ewan ko. Matagal na hindi kami nakakapunta rito eh. Excited din ako eh. Ayun sila. Si Faye, si Kyle, and Tyler. Oh, keep on going, Gav. Okay, lalakad lang kami dito. Tingnan natin kung ano loob nito. It's breezy, masarap. Sarap yung hangin. Presko. Okay, maglalakad lang kami dito sa loob. So guys, sold out yung fair today. Buti na lang si Faye bumili na ng ticket. So may ticket na kami. Ayun na, papasok na kami rito. OC Fair. Oh, may screening. Titignan nila kung ano yung laman ng mga bag. Keep on walking daw. Keep on walking. Alright. Ang daming tao, ang daming security. Ikaw, bukas yung bag mo. Alright. Excited na, excited. Tingnan natin. Wow! Oh, we're over here, Gav. Okay, magche-check-in muna kami dito. Tapos, ayun na, nag-scan na sila. Pamilya. Ano, nakapasok na? Okay na raw. Alright. So, maglalakad-lakad na kami dito. Oh, nice, Gav. You got a button. What kind of button is that? Let me see it. Oh, that's cool, Gav.
What is it?
It says Happy Together. OC Fair button. You guys want to go to the petting farm?
No.
No, not yet?
Let's ride one of those.
Okay. Daming tao. They want to go here. Petting zoo. May petting station dito para sa mga animals. O pwede ka pa magpakain ng animals. $5 or 2 for 8. Petting and zoo.
$8.
I think it's $5. You want to pet them?
Sure.
Tingnan natin. Okay. Okay, papasok kami dito sa petting zoo. So pwede ka pala pumasok sa petting zoo libre. Hindi mo kailangan magbayad. May bayad lang kung gusto mo magpakain. Galing puro kambing. Hey Gab, look at that. That's so cool. That's so cool, Gab. Go pet him, Gab. It's like Dublin. It's like Dublin, Gab. This one's a big one. This one's big, Gab. Oh, Oh, it came close to us. That's so cool. Ang galing. Tingnan nyo naman to, yung alaga dito, guys.
Which jug? The black and white ones?
Yeah, but
That's cool.
I want to get the cows too.
Can I have
Galing, no?
Leo, come look at
Nakakatuwa.
Hey, what's your...
Petting. Animal petting. What's up, no?
They're wallabies, Claudia. Can you
Guys.
take a picture of me with the duck?
So guys, ang daming mga mabibili rito. Pagkain. Parang malaking carnival. Hanap tayong pagkain. Ayun! Nakita niyo yung turkey? Turkey legs and corn dog? Right there, oh. You see the sign? Turkey, ayun, oh, bacon. Ito kung gusto magpa-henna. May henna pa rito.
Uncle, do one.
Sky ride. Mukhang maganda to, ah. Sky ride. Okay to, guys, ah. Let's see. How much are the tickets?
$6 for each person, and they should be $1.25 for each ticket.
Dollars.
$1.25 for one ticket.
$1.25.
Yeah, per ticket. And this one's $6 for each person.
Ito na yung mga pagkain, guys. Corn dog. Oh man, look at these turkey legs. Take a look. Tingnan natin tong turkey leg. Woo! Mukhang masarap. Mukhang masarap tong turkey leg. Look at that, guys. Wow. Daming pagkain. Mukhang masarap, ah. So guys, so ice cream. Mainit eh. You guys want this? Want some ice cream? Hmm? May ice cream, guys. Dami. Daming pagkain dito. Hindi ko alam kung anong uumpisahan natin eh. Tikim-tikim tayo. You want a frozen banana? Okay guys, umorder yung mga bata ng frozen banana. Mukhang masarap, ah. Frozen bananas. Wow. How was it? Good? Yan, kumakain na yung mga boys ng frozen banana. Gavin, how was it? Alright, ano gusto mo, Crab?
I don't know, I want
Huh? Okay, ikot pa tayo. Let's go walk around.
more and then there's something more.
Dami mabibili rito.
The deep fried Twinkies, that's what I was talking about.
You want that? Gusto mo yun? Meron dito deep fried Twinkies o kaya Oreos, guys. Dami mabibili rito. Puro pagkain. Hi, Faye. Ganda mo naman.
What do you want, Dave?
I don't know. Too many to choose.
There's frog legs.
Frog legs? Let's go look at this. Wow. A lot of fried, deep fried everything. Okay guys, may binibili si Faye. Bacon wrap pickles.
The Oreo? The Oreo.
And the Oreo? Oreo what?
The totally fried Oreo.
Deep fried Oreos? Oh my gosh. Weird food. Eh, Cap, ito na. Here you go. Okay guys. Tiktikman natin yan. Okay, dumating na itong bacon or pickled wrapped in bacon. Tingnan natin siya. Mukha naman masarap, kaya titikman natin. Tapos may in-order pang deep fried Oreos. So pagdating ng Oreos, titikman din natin yun. How's the banana? Good? Good, Gav? Okay.
Why do you keep it frozen banana?
It's frozen. It tastes delicious, right? Freeze your brain.
87?
Okay, ito na yung pickled with deep fried bacon. Mukhang masarap siya, guys. Is that the Oreos? Are we 94? Oh, we're 94. So titikman natin to, guys. Mukhang masarap eh. Ito na. Titikman natin siya. Masarap. Masarap siya, guys. Stop.
Yeah, it's really cold for my teeth.
Too cold? Tastes good, Gab?
Yes.
Man, that pickle was good. Sarap, masarap siya. Hey, try it, guys. Thank you. So guys, dumating na to. Ito na yung Oreos natin. Titikman natin siya. Oreos, guys. Deep fried Oreos. You gotta try this.
God, excuse me.
Okay, hold on. Excited. How was it?
You want some?
Delicious.
Sure, can I get a bite? Sarap? How is it? Sarap, huh? It's good.
Actually, really good.
It's good, huh? Here.
Mommy, send me the last one.
Yeah, that's for you. You can have
For
it.
you.
Takaw talaga ni Big Boy. Big Boy. Okay guys, ikot pa kami. Titingin pa kami ng pagkain dito. Ano guys, nag-enjoy ba kayo? Ito, kinakain ko tong frozen banana ni Gavin. Di daw niya maubos, ang laki kasi. Sarap. Sarap siya. Dito pa lang kami sa harapan, dami nang mabibili. Nakakatuwa. How is it, Gav?
Good.
Delicious?
Yes.
Alright. Okay, ikot-ikot pa kami. Okay, si Fabe bumibili ng Agua Fresca. Fruit juice. Mainit kasi. Oh, bumili na siya. Nakabili na. Agua Fresca. Cucumber, lemon, and pineapple. Looks good, Gav. Come on, let's walk around over here so it's shady. Ikot lang kami rito, shopping. Titingin tayo. You guys want to go in there or you guys want to go around this way? Titingin-tingin tayo dito. So parang Tianggian tong area na to. Ang dami mabibili. Team socks. Yung mga kung ano-ano. Okay to Yung mga lantern. Puntahan natin to. Mukhang okay to Oops. Daming tao. So guys, pumasok tayo dito sa parang indoor shopping naman. Ang dami pa rin mabibili. Kung ano-ano. Nagbabenta pa sila ng mga pots and pans. Yung mga nakikita mo sa TV, as seen on TV na mga gamit. That's real. Don't touch it. I don't know what that is. Yung mga, oh, sorry. Nagbebenta pa ng mga kama dito.
Look at my minion toy.
Dami mabibili. Okay, lalabas muna kami. Oh, sorry. Oh guys, oh, may nagbebenta pa ng mga Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Gucci. Mukhang totoo eh. Pero gamit na, used na. Nakakatuwa. Kung ano mabibili mo dito. Ito para sa mga sapatos. Hold on, Gav. Okay, nakalabas na tayo. This is a different area.
I'm always like, yeah, look at go together.
Ikot lang tayo.
I mean, I might be freaked out.
Tingnan natin.
I think I'm a little
Laki na itong lugar na to.
over this.
Hanggang dun pa, Krabon. Dahil pang ano ron, no? The Hanger. Ang ganda nun, no? That's cool. Okay guys, nandito kami ni Faye. Umiikot-ikot lang kami. Nag-i-enjoy kasama yung mga bata. Hi. Okay guys, bumili kami ng hotdog na corn dog para kay Gavin. Kanina pa niya hinihingi yan eh. Wow, Gav, can you finish that? Okay, we're gonna put some ketchup in here. Hold it, don't let go.
I won't. What is it? Nice and tight.
Alright, good job man. Kakain mo na to ng corn dog. Woo! Ayan na, kinakain na ni Gavin. Tinikman ko, masarap guys, masarap siya. Oh, be careful, your ketchup's gonna spill. Ubus kay Gavin yan, big boy natin yan eh. Okay, ikot pa kami. Ikot ng ikot. Oh, we're gonna look at that ride. Come on, let's go on that ride. Let's go take a look at the ride. Parang slingshot. Yeah. Parang siyang slingshot guys, ayun oh. Kinakatapult ka. I wanna see how much it's gonna cost. Gusto ko pa try kay Tyler eh. That's for you, okay? Takaw talaga guys. Okay, ikot pa kami. Oh, there's a lot more rides over there.
Like, I would, but I don't think that's a lot.
Ooh. Hot dog. Good, Gav? Ito yung catapult. It's like a slingshot, huh? That's not scary, no?
It's not that hard.
Nah, you could do that. Oops.
It looks scary for me. Oh my gosh, I can't stop looking at Papa.
I bet you it's better at night, huh?
It's probably better.
Papa, right now.
Where are they?
Papa.
Oh, wait, hold on. You're
Is that in next?
You have ketchup on your face. Look at it. Let me see. Look over here. You got ketchup. So guys, ito yung gusto ko pasakay sa mga bata. Let me see how high it goes. Looks like they're gonna go now. Whoa! That's cool. I wonder if they want to try it. So guys, nakita namin yung presyo ng slingshot ride. $35. Ang mahal. Sobrang mahal. Ayaw ng mga boys. Kasi ayaw ko rin. Kung dalawa sila, 70. Ang mahal nun. $35 a ride.
Get it
all pushing at the same time.
Okay, ikot pa tayo. Okay guys, naglalaro tong apat. Ito daw gusto nila makuha tong spam.
Okay, anyone enjoy? Hey guys, you like? How are you doing? Two? One, two. Alright.
So guys, si Kyle tsaka si Tyler nandun sa Rockin' Rodeo. Masok sila. Ayun o, nakikita mo sa taas. Gusto daw nila subukan eh. Di ko alam kung ano yung laman yan.
You gotta start hard.
Okay guys, si Faye susubukan niya dito. Break a plate. What is this? Break a dish? Break a dish. May dalawang bola siya. Okay, scoot over a little bit first. Give mom some room. I'm gonna watch Faye. Let's go. Baba mo yung bag mo. You okay? Alright. Got you on video. Let's go. Oh! Does the other one count? There you go. Yeah. Which one? Which one? Oh, what's this? The lobster? Let him get what he wants. Mom won that for you. Mom got a good aim. Buti na lang hindi ko ulo yun, kundi butya sabog. You like that one? Say thanks to mom. Okay, Faye has one more. Go ahead. Let Gavin if you want to try. Let your Gavin. Okay, let him. All right. Okay, here we go. Last ball. We are given one. Oh! Which one you want? No, break 3 at the bottom. The bottom one. Hey, thanks, man. Thank you.
Papa, Double has a new friend.
Ang galing ni Faye, guys. Nanalo siya. 2 plush toys. Stuffed toys. Plushies. Lupit nito. Nakakatakot. Wow. Kakahilo yan. Wow. Pangalan, Joker 360. Wow. Lupit. Nakakatakot yan.
One ball and one basket.
Okay, maglalaro si Gavin dito. Can we get a basket? We'll get a basket, please.
Oh, blue one. I need the blue one.
All right, here we go. Fill it up, please. All right, Gav, there you go. A whole, oh my gosh, Gav. Go slow. Hold on. All right, go ahead. Ayun na, naglalaro na to. That was close, Gav. Wala, naglalaro yung mga bata, oh. Ito, pinakamalaking bata sa lahat. That's it? No more? Wala na, talo tayo. Yeah, mom won everything. She's so good. Oh, it's for kuya? Oh. Damn, nakakalula to, guys. Grabe. Si Faye, kung magaling talaga si Faye sa batuhan. Kaya hindi ako tumatakbo eh. Baka tamaan ako. Okay, ikot pa kami. Wow guys, tingnan itong Ferris wheel nito. Guys, tingnan nyo to. Dang, sobra. Ako mahilig ako sa rides pero hindi ko alam kung kakayanin ko to. Lupit. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, bumalik kami rito. Itong magkapatid oh. Itetest daw nila. Si Faye nakakuha eh. Sila naman daw. Titignan natin kung magagaling tong mga boys natin. Okay, when you guys are ready, one at a time. Go ahead, go ahead. Go, Kyle. One more, hurry up. One more, Kyle. Go, go. All right. Good job. What did we win?
No, you hit me. Oh my gosh, that hurt.
It ricocheted.
Did we get a big one? All right, nanalo. Ita-trade daw yung maliit. Thank you. Thank you, sir. So, ito na palanunan nila. Magkano kaya nagastos nila dyan? Oh my gosh. Okay. Enjoy lang kami. Daming tao. Bumababa na yung araw. Masarap yung pakiramdam. Hindi masyado mainit na. Okay, bumalik kami rito ng horchata. Horchata. Tignan, may ano yata ito eh. Micheladas. So guys, bumalik kami ng pagkain. Sama ko si Faye. Ito yung titirahin natin. 2 sausage. Dito natin lalagay. Tsaka meron tayong mga vegetables. Dang, everything looks so good. Everything looks fresh. Ernesto, everything looks so good here, man. Are these sausages right here? Are these cooked? Oh, really? Oh, masarap ano? Man. Ooh, look at that, guys. Dami. Sarap. Wow. Woo.
Can you add more veggies? Thank you. Can you add more? Thank you so much. Woohoo! There you
Dami
go.
naman nun.
That is meat. Love it. Thank you.
Wow. Looks good, Nersto. Dami. Okay, hutin niya naman to, guys. Woo.
Winner.
Okay, guys, ito na yung kinorder naming food. May mga beef sandwich dito, beef fries, and of course the hot dogs. Wow, sarap. Okay, chichibog muna kami. So guys, masarap yung pagkain. Laki, dami.
Mama, will you eat this dog? You need this dog?
Okay. Okay guys, naubos namin yung hotdog. Pati itong french fries. At yung mga brisket ng mga bata, ubos. Ubos. How was it? Naubos.
I haven't ate anything.
The corn dog.
Yeah, I ate a big corn dog.
Alright guys. Woo. Okay guys, bumababa na yung araw. Oh, receipt? Is it?
No, this is chicken.
I don't have the receipt. I don't know what happened to it. Pero bumibili kaming cookies. Okay, thank you. Bumibili kaming cookies. Tingnan natin. Oh, it's still warm. Thank you. Sarap guys, masarap. Anong tawag dito? Totally baked cookie joint. Sarap. Okay. So guys, ito yung binili namin ng cookies. Totally baked cookie joint. Masarap siya. Masarap yung cookies. Fresh. It's still warm. Ikot-ikot pa kami. Tapos, siguro sasakay ng ride itong mga bata. One last time, tapos uwi na tayo. Okay. So guys, nandito tayo na yun sa livestock area. May mga camel pa nga dito eh. Mga livestock barn area. Ito mga iba-ibang klaseng ibon. Nandito mga manok. May turkey. Nakakatuwa. May turkey pa sila. Tapos pwede ka pa pumasok sa loob. Mga green conures oh. May pabo pa sila. Galing. Bumaba na yung araw kaya hindi na nakakaano maglakad. Dami pa rin tao hanggang na yun. Dito ka para may mga western mga band. May banda pa rito. Hintay yung mga tao para sa banda. Okay. So guys, binuksan na nila yung mga ilaw nila. Mas magandang tignan, no? Man, grabe yan. Oh my gosh. Grabe. Guys, may banda pa rito. Okay guys, tapos na kami rito sa OC Fair. Nag-enjoy kami ng sobra ni Faye at mga bata. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung pag-ikot natin. At maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. So don't forget, like, share, and subscribe guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Maraming salamat.